Imagine yourself in this Jeep 2019 Compass Latitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are transmission, 6-speed Nissan F21-250 Gen 3 Auto, STD, engine, 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR with ESS, STD, monotone paint application, power 8-way driver manual 6-way passenger seats, tires, P225/60R17 BSWS, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 silver painted aluminum, STD, quick order package 20HA included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR with ESS transmission, 6-speed Nissan F21-250 Gen 3 Auto, jazz blue pearl coat and black premium cloth vinyl bucket seats. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading.